Alright, what's going on, guys? It is Chris or Drama, and today is another video, another stream highlights video, Drama, and the 1J clip, because it was pretty much just me, because this is my submission to the North/G Fuel RC as a streamer. So this is just your typical Drama and the Boys video, but I had the North RC in my face cam, so this is just the last 2 weeks of me streaming. I think it came out pretty well. Hope you guys enjoy, and I guess wish me good luck. We'll see what happens. Thanks for watching.
You got the
Oh, I got Mountain Dew going on over here. Hold on. Piggy out. Piggy out. I came. Just came. Dude, here comes my banger clip.
Two piece, 3 piece. That's on split.
Absolutely, I'm the sickest in the fucking game. If you have 50 reserve, you can unlock any weapon you want for free, or 2,500 COD points. Sorry, I was in the middle of puking while I read that. Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, that's fire! Oh my god! Oh my god! What the fuck, dude? Come on! Oh my god!
I should quit while I'm ahead. I should probably leave you alone. Cause I know in the morning I'll be calling. Need some things I said. So I wanna kiss you and over it. I just wanna go to bed.
I hit 2 up, just jumped and spun around and no scopes to catch everything.
Oh my god! Oh my... Dude, there was like... How was that not a fucking quad? Holy shit, dude! Oh! Oh!
That was nasty.
That kid took a quick... Hold on. No way! No way! No way! Right now.
Wow.
Alright. No, I won't play fair now.
Yeah, like that's what's just good.
Stop it, bitch.
It goes not like that. Oh!
I said it and I realized what
Hold
I
on.
said immediately.
Hold on.
Go.
No!
He was right there.
I think I could legally DDoS you right
Oh
now.
my god!
You guys don't do shit. You don't do shit. You don't do shit. You don't do shit. The fuck, Peter Waxer?
Oh, quad feed.
Buzz down, Tatiana.
I just rubbed my balls on my fucking chair. No response to that? Fuck did I do that? I can see that. Hold on. I went for a no scope. I went for a NOS. Triple section. No chance. No chance! Oh my god!
What the fuck?
Iced out, bust down, rolling on my wrist. Flex. Got a rap nigga, baby mama on my dick.
You didn't pick up the bomb.
Fuck.
He's under vent! Let's go, Jake! You're fucking nasty! Let's go, Jake! That kid's just all the way in the back of the map doing what? Oh, that kid got fucking dumped on! If the DSR was not patched, I would have dumped on those kids, by the way. Oh my god, I fucking dumped on that kid. I need to dump so bad right now. At my peak viewership, I have to dump.
Anyone want to kill this kid in our spawn? You know what I'm telling you?
I could one kid in this one.
Well, 2-2. This kid was just...
He again, dude, again. This fucking scissor hands fucking degen keeps throwing knife me. I think I'm at like $64 for this month.
Wrong with you?
Chip, I'm all jacked up.
Ah! Dude, every time I click X, my fucking keyboard comes up. That kid's dog shit, and he's mad.
To grade their last asset.
I can't jump shot! I can't fucking jump shot! My fucking keyboard keeps coming up, dude! I just typed.